like
just do now you a New Yorker. Now she a New Yorker. Just do.
2 seconds.
She been in New York. All right.
2 seconds.
Just do.
My, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Hey. No.
See that you're not perfect.
Hi. No, that was just ugly. So I'm trying to get my greeting together. Hey y'all, what's up? This is I don't know what to say.
My
All right.
eyebrows not working for me, yo.
I'm just not gonna greet y'all. So we're in New York for Tisha's birthday.
I'm just not gonna greet you. I'm not gonna say nothing.
I can't get my hello right, so I'm not gonna greet anybody.
No, just start off with like, alright, so bad.
Alright, so bet like, hey.
Don't say hey, just be like, alright, so boom.
Alright, so boom, like straight like that, like no. Good morning. No.
Just do like.
Just do now you a New Yorker. Now she a New Yorker. Just do.
2 seconds.
She been in New York. All right.
2 seconds.
Just do.
Just be like, all right, just post like a good morning like thingy like with words.
That is.
And that way you don't have.
Boom. And that's the greeting. So, Tidra and I are in New York. I was here for work and she came and met me up here so that we can museum hop for her birthday. And I've been ready for like the past hour.
Now she gonna lie.
And now we're just waiting on Tidra to get ready. So I don't think that you can flip this, but Tidra's been taking about 2 hours to get her eyebrows right.
Because my eyebrows not acting right. I should have just got them done.
Yeah, that probably would have helped.
That's okay.
So we have to be to the museum at 9:45.
What time is it?
9:02, and she's crying about she's hungry.
I am.
And we have to go to Dwayne Reed. Dwayne Reed.
Maya.
Say it right here. It's not Walgreens here. It's Dwayne Reed. We have to go there first. So yeah, I mean, clearly she's not finished getting dressed, and we already bought our tickets, so.
Bro, I'm about to spaz on these eyebrows, yo.
To be continued. So about 20 minutes has passed, and
It is not.
her eyebrows are finally to her satisfaction.
No, they're not actually. We'll just do it.
She's just gonna deal with them. Let me see. How much time do we pay? Oh, it's 9:08.
Right, exactly. All that crying.
All right, so we plan to go to the Color Factory first, and then the Museum of Illusions and the Rosé Museum, and then who knows what else the day will bring, where else we will go. We plan to be adventurous, so we shall see.
Keep us lifted up in your prayers.
Tidra said keep us lifted. She's still doing something to her face, y'all.
I'm putting earrings on.
That's doing something to your face.
No. That's doing something to my ears.
Okay. All right.
So, I don't think I want to put on my little booties because I'm going to probably save them for later. So, I'm going to put on my little flat shoes.
She getting there, y'all. She getting there. Yo, we finally out the room. Amen. Now we have to wait for one of 2 elevators to get to the 18th floor. All right, so we're on our way finally. We're gonna be late, but it's cool.
Thanks, guys. Have fun.
All right, thank you. Try your milkshake.
I'm trying to cheat.
She can't even get it. Different.
Alright, here we go, my beautiful people. It's that time. Yes.
So we got to pick buttons, and we both picked our favorite colors, pink and purple. But they have so many colors.
Can you hear me? Come on, put your earphones on.
We all know what we're about to do,
Real quick. Look at Maya. Hey.
So we're on this color wheel. We're doing a video. We're doing a video on this color wheel. What are the colors? Yeah, this museum is cool so far. We like it. Everybody else on their wheel. Yeah, this is the See, this is ready? Set. I can't get up. Yeah. Oh God, Tidra, you are burying me.
Oh my bad.
Jeez. Oh my gosh.
Come on, y'all, really? Come on, smile, say cheese.
Great time at the Color Factory.
So much fun.
Ugh. Now we're headed to the train to go to the Museum of Illusions.
Skid around here.
Successfully got the train.
Get off at the stop.
Alright, T just said it's not successful yet until we actually reach our destination. But we on a train, so we missed our exit. T just saw the sign once the train closed. We figured that joint out. And we made it. Hey.
Yo, that joint was real. Lord Jesus. Oh my God.
Have you all heard of a Bag BNB? It's under the same reservation. Okay. Okay, thank you. So, Bag BNB.
We're doing a Bag BNB.
Can you tell them what it is?
It's like they just like different businesses or whatever allow you to like put your bags there, keep your bags until you're like ready to go. So like we're dropping our bags off at this restaurant. And
Lord, please protect our bags.
please God, and we'll come back and get them when we're ready to head home.
So we are headed to the Rosé Museum. Tidra is guiding us via her phone. We just dropped off our bags at the Bag BNB, and the museum is a 5-minute walk. So yeah, that's where we are headed. Now, they say tickets aren't available till 5:30. We're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna let y'all know. Where is the lounge? Look at this. This is cool. So these bowls. They're supposed to smell it. God, I don't know what that is. Let's see. Fruit that you eat And summer barbecues. I'm gonna guess watermelon, like you said.
No,
That's
watermelon
correct.
doesn't stink.
Well, that stinks. Smell it.
Ew, that doesn't smell like watermelon.
Exactly.
Ew.
Exactly.
That stinks.
Gotta be your first height. Alright? Yes. We're about to enter the ball pit. Another one. Here we go.
Can you buy me? Oh my god. Oh. Wait.
Buried in another ball pit. There's Tidra.
Right here.
I want these off of my.
Wait, where are you?
My golly. So, our bags were safe.
Amen.
So now we know we can do some Bag BNBs. My hair, Jesus. Well, I had my hood on. But,
Oh, he's here.
oh,
Okay.
Karad's here.
All right.
See
Let's
you,
go.
Tidra.
See you later.
All right. Yeah, you too. So Tidra's headed to take the bus back, and I am taking the train. So I'm at the train station, waiting.
I'm at the bus station. I have to stand outside, waiting for the bus, which doesn't come for another half hour. It's cold. This is it to get the cold.
Thank you for hanging out with us in New York. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. So hopefully this will give you some ideas of things to do if you ever travel to New York, if outside opens again. No, when outside opens again. So hopefully you'll get a chance to go to New York and experience the lovely Rose Mansion, the Museum of Illusions, the Color Factory, and it's so many more that we didn't even get a chance to do. So we will definitely be hitting up some more museums.